Number 1.
1989 Dodge D150, price $7,500. This truck comes with 157,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a gray interior, the truck retains its original 318 motor paired with dual exhaust, ensuring it runs and drives as it should. The body was restored about 8 years ago and has seen very little use since then, while the interior remains original and in solid condition. Recent maintenance includes a new radiator, alternator, coil, plugs, and wires installed last summer, along with a fresh oil change completed just before listing. The truck rides on nearly new tires and features a lowered stance that enhances its overall look.
Number 2.
1990 GMC 1500, price $9,500, powered by a stock 5.7L 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission that includes overdrive, delivering smooth and dependable performance even with 200,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features a short wheelbase, which not only enhances its maneuverability but also adds to its sporty character. To further improve its stance, it has been lowered 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear, giving it a clean, custom look that is complemented by a nice set of wheels. Inside, the cabin is finished in gray, and the interior remains in excellent condition, showing how well the truck has been cared for over the years. With its combination of classic design, tasteful modifications, and a comfortable interior, this GMC 1500 stands out as a solid example of a well-preserved pickup from the era.
Number 3.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800. This truck has covered 277,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, complemented by a beige interior, giving it a timeless look. Under the hood, it carries the reliable 5.7L engine paired with a 4L60E transmission, which continues to deliver strong performance even with its age. Although the Sierra is 27 years old and shows some signs of wear in places, it still runs very well. It has a newer transmission that shifts smoothly, adding confidence to every drive. The truck has been reverse leveled to improve its stance and overall appearance, and it comes with a set of 17-inch American Racing Torque thrust wheels that enhance both style and character. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F150, price $6,750, powered by a dependable 4.9L inline-6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck is finished in blue with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. It is a 2-wheel drive short bed model equipped with dual gas tanks, a rubber mat in the bed for protection, and even the original radio still in place. Over the years, it has been kept in solid condition with no rust issues and several important updates already taken care of, including a new AC system, new tires, a new battery, and fresh spark plugs and wires. The truck runs and drives fine, making it a reliable option for someone looking for a well-kept 9th-generation F-150. Although it carries a salvage title, it remains a sturdy and dependable pickup that the current owner simply no longer has use for.
Number 5.
1996 GMC 1500, price $3,850, solid example of a dependable pickup from the mid-90s. Powered by a V6 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it has covered 190,000 miles but continues to deliver reliable performance on gasoline. The exterior is finished in beige, matching the clean beige interior, which has been kept in nice condition and shows that the truck has been cared for over the years. Despite its age and mileage, this GMC 1500 remains in good overall condition, making it a trustworthy option for those in need of a practical pickup. It retains the classic styling of the era while offering durability and comfort, proving that it can still serve as a reliable workhorse or a daily driver.
Number 6.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,000, comes with an automatic transmission and a strong 350 small block engine. The truck has covered 211,000 miles in total, though the engine was swapped about 80,000 miles ago, ensuring reliable performance. It features a bright red exterior paired with a comfortable interior, and its 8-foot bed makes it a practical choice for hauling and work use. Over the summer, the Sierra received several important upgrades, including brand new tires, a complete new air conditioning system with a compressor, fresh coils, updated wiring, and new pumps. The engine runs perfectly smooth and remains in excellent condition. However, the transmission recently developed a leak at the seal leading to the yoke, which has begun to cause some shifting issues.
Number 7.
1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. This truck has 238,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission.
Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck runs on gasoline and continues to prove its reliability.
The current owner has driven it more than 1,200 miles in the last month, enjoying cold air conditioning and trouble-free performance, according to records from the previous owner. The second owner, as confirmed by Bumper.com, a remanufactured engine was installed at 187,000 miles back in 2016. The truck comes with a stack of receipts for maintenance and repairs, including new front brakes, rotors, bearings, an AC compressor, a starter, and more.
Number 8.
1993 GMC 1500, price $5,500, shows 292,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline, but under the hood it benefits from a stock rebuild with only 70,000 miles on the motor.
It's paired with a TH350 automatic transmission that delivers smooth and dependable shifting.
Finished in a green exterior with a gray interior, the truck carries a rugged yet classic look that represents the early 90s style well. What makes this GMC stand out is its stance and capability. Sitting on a 6-inch RC lift and fitted with 33 by 12.50 mud tires, it offers both a commanding road presence and serious off-road potential. Whether for weekend trails or everyday driving, this lifted GMC 1500 combines durability, performance, and personality in a way that few trucks of its era still do.
Number 9.
1965 Ford F150, price $8,500. This truck is a solid service truck finished in gray with a green interior and equipped with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a rebuilt 390 engine paired with a reliable C6 transmission. The truck has been fitted with new Firestone Li3 staggered tires mounted on aluminum alloy wheels, measuring 8 inches in the front and 10 inches in the rear. Performance upgrades include a new Edelbrock 650 carburetor with matching Edelbrock distributor, along with new shocks and a dual exhaust system. Well cared for and improved with many recent updates, this classic Ford stands out as both capable and dependable.
Number 10.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck shows 98,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in blue with a matching blue interior. Power comes from a 283 V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which recently received a new clutch.
The truck runs and drives, though it is recommended to be trailered or towed.
It rides on new Cooper Cobra tires and features new headers and exhaust. The exterior has been resprayed directly over the old paint, giving it a decent appearance from a distance, though up close it is far from perfect.
It can be enjoyed as a driver in its current condition or taken further as a restoration project.
Included with the sale is a new front suspension, still in the boxes and not yet installed.